The Gradebook feature in Haiku LMS enables the teacher to specify grade notations. So I'm logged into the class Around the World in 80 Days as a teacher, and I'm in my gradebook called Summer Term. I can see what notations are set up by going to Edit and Edit Gradebook. In this new window that loads then, I have 3 tabs: Settings, Grade Notations, and Special Score Notations. So I want to go to Grade Notations to see how Haiku calculates grades. There's the notation I enter for a student's assignment, and there's the corresponding numerical value, and also the value that's assigned to the grade in the gradebook itself. So for example, when I'm grading an assignment, when I enter an A, my Haiku class translates that A to 90%, which is also called the value when entered. If I want an A to be recorded as 95 instead, I can simply change that here to 95. If when I'm grading an assignment, instead of entering a letter, I want to be able to enter a percentage, for instance, 90% here, but also have it translate into something different into the gradebook, I can specify that here as well. So for example, if my grade scale says that 93% is an A-, I can enter that here. Then when I'm grading an assignment, if I enter 93 or above, my gradebook will record that as an A and as a 95% because it is simply an A. The same is true for B, C, so on, or any other notations that I might choose to use. Because I'm in my summer term gradebook, these notations apply only to that gradebook. I'm able to use that in my other gradebooks set up in the class by saving it as a template if I'd like. So I'll go ahead and do that here. And I'll leave my template name A through F since that's my grading scale. And I'll click Save. So back on the summer term gradebook, I want to see if the changes I made worked. So I want to enter a grade for the student Renee Hosteller for the Unit 1 test. So I click in that cell. And remember that I just changed the letter grade A so that my gradebook will record a numerical value of 95. So I'm going to go ahead and enter A. And I'll click the Save button. And I can see that I've entered an A, and my gradebook records a score of 95. Alternatively, if I would have entered a numerical value, let's say for instance, I will enter 90, which I know should translate to a B because I had specified that only 93 and above was an A. If I enter 90, click the Save button, my gradebook translates the score of 90 to a letter grade of B. You may also want to check out the tutorial for using gradebook categories or the tutorial for using gradebook special score notation, which enables you to mark extenuating circumstances such as absences and incompletes.